How to find Facebook account by phone number. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guiding Studio, and today's guide will show you the step-by-step guide of how you can actually find out someone's Facebook account using their phone number. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find someone's Facebook account using phone number, you cannot doing by opening the Facebook and going to the search option here. And if you search with the phone number here, you won't get the Facebook account. So there's a tricks that you actually have to apply in order to get the Facebook account with the phone number. All you have to do, first thing first, simply go ahead and open up the settings of your phone. And from the settings, you just need to scroll down and find out the app section. You'll get to see the apps. You just need to get into this one. And sometime you'll get to see the manage apps option. You just need to get into this one and you get to see all the apps that you have on your phone. Now simply go ahead and tap on the search option at the very top and search for Facebook. And once you search with the Facebook, in the list you'll get to see the Facebook application. You just need to tap on this and this will get into the Facebook app information. Inside this one you'll get to see the permission. So you just need to tap on the permission section, and inside the Facebook app permission you just need to find out the contact option. I'm gonna scroll down, you'll get to see under the not allowed section the contact is available. So you just need to allow the contact first. So I'm going to tap on contact and it's currently selected don't allow. So I'm going to select the allow section and then get back from here. And once you do that, the contact option will be allowed. Now we're pretty much good to go. You just need to get back from here. And the very next thing that you have to do, you just need to force close the Facebook application from the background like this and then reopen the Facebook application. And once you do that, you just need to wait some time and refresh your feed a little bit, and after that those Facebook account will be automatically showing up to the friend suggestion that contacts are saved to your phone. So you'll get to see I already got the friend suggestion here. You'll get to see these are the friends that I'm getting from my contact list. And also if you go to the friend option here under the people may you know section, you'll get to see all those accounts that you have saved on your device. The Facebook account will be showing up right here. You can actually find out those person right here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.